These are the newly modernized internal elevators at the Sarasota Bradenton International Airport in Sarasota, Florida. One of them serves just floor 2, the other serves 2 and 3. So we're going to go up to 2 on the first one.
Second floor.
Here we are at 2. Let's go down to 1. There used to be a lantern here. Here's your cab view. This used to be a Dover, I believe. Also, it canceled my call. Either that or it didn't take my call in the first place. Here's the inspection certificate. You can see the glass elevators right there. And the other elevator. We're going to go up to 3.
Third floor.
This one definitely gives a smoother ride than the other one. You can see the atrium right here. And for those of you who don't know, there's an observation deck on this floor. It says it's closed to the public, but you can see that much. Normally you'd be able to get a look at the runways. Let's call it back down. ThyssenKrupp button, it looks like. I don't think ThyssenKrupp did the mod, but looks like, I guess because it's MAD fixtures, ThyssenKrupp uses the same ones. So this one's got a different floor than the 1-2 elevator. Here's your inspection certificate. And that'll be it.